àsìkò ti tó fún mi báyìí mo fẹ́ gbòmìnira.
ìpín rẹ mọ̀ ni.
ìpín burúkú nù ṣẹ́yìn lọ́mọ máa kọ́kọ́ kú mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ni. bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ ó yọ̀ǹda èmi àtàwọn ọmọ ogun mi.
My wonderful fans all over the UK, I want to say thank you. Now, I heard this has never happened before. A Yoruba movie sold out. Now, 6 screens sold out and still counting. Oh my God, I know you guys are going to take it to 10, 20, 100. Hey! I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. I love you all. Benny, I'm going to be with you guys. Energy. Yes. Labake Olododo, the warrior lord. Woof, moving forward.
I think this film has represented Africa very well. I want to say, I want to say big thank you.
Hello, everybody!
Two questions. Before we go to the floor. Does anybody have any question? Just comments?
What inspired the story?
One question right there.
So about 8 years ago, or 9 now, yes, I just thought about writing a story about a very strong woman, and I know that most times a lot of strong women sometimes can fall, just like strong men can fall, so we have to be careful. And sometimes when you feel you have so much control, power, energy, and you don't listen to the right people, things might happen. And I put the story aside at the time because I didn't know, we couldn't just meet on a common ground to film it then, way back then, when we were still doing DVD and all that. So I watched Woman King about a few years ago, and I said, I have a story similar like this. I think I should work on this story, and that's how we started it.
This is just to also let you know that this is we sold out 6 cinema screens. Yoruba film. That's actually popular in our country. Thank you. Iyabo Ojo.
Labake Olododo.
Yeah.